Alright, so this is for the video guide. So to use this project, so basically you need to install, to make sure you install the Ultralytic, you need to install the PyTorch using the command here. And for the training purposes, you need to have this install label img. So what is label img? I'll show you here. So and here you can change from YOLO and other format. So in this case we're using YOLO. So you're going to choose a directory or open anything. For example, let's open a directory. For example, these are some of the images. So you can basically use this, create a rectangle box. For example, this is the knife, and we can label it as knife by itself, or in our case we are doing this generally, we just label it as weapon. So actually the more images, the more data set that you use for training, for labeling, is better. The YOLO result will come out much better for the training of the AI. And then after you have done all of that, so you will have basically this thing. You have the images and you have the labels of each of the images. Alright, so you need to put both of these in the train folder. You create the train folder. You can follow the video tutorial that I have given in this weapons.yum. I put some comment here. You can follow the video tutorial there on how to do it, and then you can trade at the command prompt. You just put copy paste here. So take note that for 100 epoch it takes around 5 hours. So 20 epochs around 1 hour on average. So in our case we're using the YOLOv8 instead of other models. So basically YOLO have other models for nano, small, medium, large, and extra large. So basically we're using the medium for a balanced and average result, which does not use too much power, computation power, but a great for average size of project. So you can run this command here and wait for the training to end. It will take around 5 hours, like I said. After that, you will have the out at here runs at the train page. So at here you can see your result. The system will comes out with this graph and visualize the result of the training. And from right here, you could have the best and the last. So the best is actually what the model we are going to use, which is the trained model that we have trained using the YOLOv8 as the base. So you can take this and use the best.pt as your testing model, or should I say evaluation model. So you put this command here and then you run at the terminal. So let's say, for example, I'm choosing the other image. Let's say, for example, what image is now? 218. 218.jpg. So the system will run, we let it evaluate and find the weapon in the image. Alright, so after it's done, you can go to the runs, detect, and look at the latest prediction. So using the conf of 0.5, we actually only show if the confidence level of the detection weapons are more than 0.5 or more than 50%. Right, so actually there are some we have done already. For example, this image, the rifles, the guns. Yeah, however, it is better for you to train with uh, more images and more data set. For this case, we are only using around 120 plus that I have put here. But the data set actually have more than that. The data set has more images. So for better training and better output and better result recall precision, it is better to use and to train with a lot more. But it will be more time consuming and more computation power needed. So try to balance and think it out. I think that's all from us for the manual. Thank you.